Hey guys, what is up, my kings and queens? It is I, Seven Main Green. Now, I want to tell you something. I'm about to move in like a few days. Like I'm about to move on I'm moving on Monday. So 3 days. Um, actually, so we're gonna think about. So I'm thinking about this, guys. We're gonna. So I'm gonna make a video today. It's gonna be another side quest game. There's also and on Saturday and Sunday I'm playing FNAF 4. And on Monday I'm gonna be off for a bit because I gotta move. Okay? But I promise I'll make a video showing you the house. Understand, guys? Okay? Alright. Now without further ado, I'll stop my yapping. Let's get to the video. Hello guys, welcome to Crazy Side Quests part number 2. Now we had Fights of Candies 1. But today we're gonna be playing a different game. It's this weird game that people recommended. It's called Slime Rancher. And Loki, it looks kinda cute. Now, I'm gonna full screen this. Now without further ado, let's get to work. Oh shit, hold on a second. Oh I forgot. New game. Game 1, sure. What the hell? Okay. Alright, hold on a second, guys. Let me get my camera working. Alright. Let's get moving. Alright, so it's west side. Oh, this place is cute. Spacebar. Okay. Backpack. Right mouse. Butts. Aw, that's cute. We're gonna be playing whatever this is for a bit. We're just gonna test this game, okay, guys? I'm not saying we're gonna play the game completely, okay? We're just trying to check out how it looks, okay? What is that? Oh shit. Forgot. Damn. Come on. Get in! What is this? Chickadoo. You'd think they're filled with marshmallows. Come on. Get in my belly! The dry reef. When slimes eat, they make plorts. What are plorts? And what the hell is that supposed to? And what the hell are those? So that's how you're supposed to do it. Oh, you just get money. Cool. Oh my god, look how much fucking money I got, chat. Why do I have so much chat? Why do I have so much money? Alright. Ooh. Come here. Come here. Give me my goddamn money. Alright. What's this supposed to be? Why's my shift now? Holy shit. Look how much fucking slimes are in there. Come on. What are they eating, bro? What the hell? This place is kind of cute. You know, this thing is cute, honestly. I might return to this game after FNAF 4, guys. This place is cute. This thing is so fucking cute. Tasty food acquired. Hold on a second, guys. Tasty food acquired. Foods like fruits, veggies, or chickens are used to feed slimes. Try shooting food at the pink slime. They'll eat anything. Okay. But before I do, Let me get some. Let me see if I can find some more food. Or plorts. No, no, no. Those are my. Those are my. That's my food. That's my money. Give me. Just give me my money. That's what I thought. Don't make me ruin that. Okay. Oh, 4. That's what it's supposed to be. Now, let's feed these little fuckers. Hey, stand still. That's right. That's right. Go get it like a good boy. Come on. Get in that belly. Now, make me that motherfucking honey. Shit, I forgot. Shit, no. God damn it. Screw it. What's this supposed to be? What the hell? This is a weird game. But I like it. It looks cute. Hold on. I wonder. Where are you? For a second, I thought they were just making tons of plorts. No. Let me see. Hey, this is some low-key fire music, chat. Oh. Suck. Suckity suck suck. Anything? Hello? No? Okay. Alright, I'm gonna check out. I'm guessing this is my house. It looks like it. Guys, why does this look like the houses from Dragon Ball Z though? Hold on a second, I'm wondering. No, not that. Bye-bye, I'm not your dad anymore. Oh, I can't crouch down. That's a shame. Why can't I freaking just... Ah! Sorry guys, I'm not used to moving around this much. I'm used to just using the mouse pad. Like how I do in FNAF. Surprisingly, surprise. Fun fact, I'm more of a console guy. Rather than a rather than a computer gamer. Okay? What the hell? Shit, bro, why is it so laggy? I'm not gonna wonder what the hell those things are. Anyway, goodbye. Oh shit, kids, don't try that at home. Don't throw your even if your little brother is annoying, don't throw him off the cliff, okay? Or a balcony. Cause that's more rare, that's more common. What the hell? Oh, this thing is cute. Oh, these are cute. They're eating the fucking chickens. Chat, stop. Yo, Huz, stop. Okay, I gotta get the hell away from here. It is getting laggy. I don't think this is supposed to be on PC. The guy that sent me it, I think he's from Britain or something. Oh yeah, he is from Britain. So oh what the hell? Oh, more chickens! Come here, come on. Quickly before the monsters eat you. Suck up, come on. Get him out. Get in my fucking... Oh, screw the babies. I don't give a damn about... I don't give a rat's ass about them. Okay, yeah, I do care about them. Man, fuck these slimes. Screw these. Come on. Let's take you to your mom. But I'm only bringing a few of you guys. As much as I can carry. I'm not sparing. It doesn't seem like they want to eat the baby ones. Come on. No, no! My fucking child. It's my goddamn child. Get the hell in here before some bitch eats you. Or before them pink fuckers eat you. No! Fuck, I lost all the babies. Screw it. Your babies are fucked. Hens, I'm sorry. Okay? The indigo query. Whoa! This place looks cool. Oh, you fucked. Come on. Come here. Come here. Get in my... Actually, wait, I need you guys, actually. I don't need you. Screw off. Why get in my belly? You there, sir. Truly are what I need. Rock slime. Get the hell off. Get the hell off. Oh my god, this chat. This bitch is fucking pissing me off. Ow. Ow. Oh shit. What the hell? I'm just gonna... Shit, I forgot where I'm supposed to go. Screw it. Fah! Hey, don't, no. Oh, god damn! God damn it. I lost all my shit, bro. So anyway, that's for the game. So make sure to like and subscribe if you want to see more of this content. I will do some more side quests for you guys. I might even play Minecraft. Yeah. Oh, that's what's going on, chat. Look at this. Frames per second is really low. Anyway, I'm gonna go. Good night.